Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk a little bit about my van and what my plans are with it. I don't want to sell it, I want to keep it, and lately I've been, forever now, I've been thinking about how I'm gonna install solar on that van. As you know, we used to have solar, and then once I put the high top on it, it's kind of hard because the roof is all like curved and stuff. So I think I finally found a way how I can do it without drilling holes in it, which I don't want to drill holes in the roof. So I found Hobotech video with the VHB tape, and then I found another guy's video how he used Hobotech's idea and came up with his own way because his roof is also not straight, to install solar. And so far it worked for him, and I think it's a good idea. So I am gonna try it. I already bought all the parts for it. It wasn't too expensive, so yeah, I'm gonna try this. Which I'm gonna show you what it entails and then how I'm gonna go about it, and then I'm also gonna tell you a little bit more about my plan for the inside. So let me reverse this camera and I'm gonna show you the top of the roof so you can see what I'm talking about. So give me 1 second. Okay, we reversed. I'm using my collapsible ladder, and I'm gonna try to do it all on one take because I really don't want to edit. I have other things I gotta do. But anyway, so here's is the roof. As you see, it's not straight, it's curved. So this is the highest point of the roof, this is the lowest point, and it's quite a bit of difference. I think it's like a few inches. And then the roof itself slopes back down in the back, and then it's curved, like this part over here is curved. So installing straight solar panels on here is not not good. I think the solar panel is a little bit too long to install between these two fans, like the long way. And then I can probably do it here the long way, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna install it. But let me go down and show you the parts that I got. So let me get back down on this collapsible ladder. I'm wearing slippers, not the best idea, but it's all good. Whew. Anyway, so let me show you. I don't know why I reversed it because I'm gonna reverse it again. But anyways, here's the parts. So these are all aluminum. So I got this thing, which this part will directly connect to the roof, because it's flat, and then it's gonna give a few inches height, which is what I need. And to connect to the roof, I'm gonna be using the VHB tape. And then this thing will go on top of it, and I'm gonna connect these two together, and then I'm gonna be able to attach the solar panel directly to this. I can probably attach the solar panel directly to this if I get like some Z brackets or something to fit in here, but I think this will give me an extra inch, so that will be just like tall enough. And then to connect these two parts, I got this little thing, and then so this thing will go inside, and then this will go on top, and then I'll just have to get some bolts. And I think the guy in the video said they need to get some spring bolts or something like that. So they like attach the inside of this, and they're like spring loaded. I need to watch his video again. I'm gonna try to find his video again and link it either in the comments or in the description. I'm doing all of this on my phone. That's what I want to edit, so hopefully I'll be able to figure this out. But anyways, and then to attach the solar panel, I got a few different things. I'm not sure which one will work or not, but I got the traditional Z brackets, and then these. So I guess either will go like this or like this. That will fit either way. So if you go like this part is just wide enough so it doesn't fall through, and then I'll use these things again to mount it all together. The screw that comes with these things, these screws fit in here perfectly. So yeah, so that's the plan. And then I also got these things on Amazon, and these are for holding down your solar panels. So you attach this part to the roof rack, and then this goes on top of the solar panel. I'm not quite sure how that will work though. Maybe We can attach this to these. I don't know. I can figure it out later, I guess. I can always return these if I'm not gonna need them. I just saw them. I thought they're pretty cool, and I might need them. So I got these, but I might not. So if I don't need them, I'll return them. Same with these things. These things are, if you have two solar panels next to each other, you know, they'll hold down like that. I might not need those as well. I don't think I actually will need those. But yeah, so those are all the parts. These things came in 10-foot length, which I don't need that long, and you can only buy them in a pack of 8. So I have quite a bit. I'm gonna need to cut them down. I'll have a lot of extras, but I can probably use them for the van build from the inside. I was thinking using these to attach to the walls and mount bed on it, like railings, you know. And these things came in a pack of 2 and they're 5 feet long. So, but these ones I'm going to be cutting like this for the legs. So I'm going to have quite a bit of these. And I can probably use these for the legs of the bed if I have a lot of extras. But yeah, quite a bit of stuff. So now let's talk about the inside. So for the inside of the van, let's see. Right now it's empty. Well, it's not empty. I have full of boxes in there. I'm storing some stuff for work. But it's got it. We have nothing inside. We took out everything, even our PVC bed frame. So I really want to rebuild it. So I'm not sure of the design yet. I'm trying to come up with a design, but what I want to do is I don't want to spend a lot of money on the build again. So I'm just gonna try to find all the recycled wood, recycled sinks, recycled whatever I can find recycled. That's what I'm gonna do. Thank God we live in the area where people are very nice and like to share stuff. Let's say if somebody has a pile of wood they don't want, they will post online on the community board for somebody to use it. So I can find pretty good amount of wood around here, that's for sure. So yeah, that's the plan, and I'm gonna document everything I do. So my next plan is those metal rods that I showed you. I'm gonna cut like little pieces of it so I can attach them all together, see if it will work on the roof before I do any cutting or anything else. I just want to make sure it works, but I'm pretty sure it will because the videos I've seen, it works great, and I have high hopes for it. So the plan is I have 2 solar panels right now, so I'm going to try to install those, and I might get 2 more and put them on the side of the roof. I found those tilting racks for solar panels. So if I install it on the side of a roof, once I'm parked, I can like tilt them up towards the sun. So I think that'll be kind of cool. And then I do have one lithium battery, but I want to get a second one so I have more power. And I have everything else. I have the solar controller, I have the inverters, I have all of that stuff. So yeah, next big project is doing electric and solar in this van. But anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping by and for watching my videos still. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I think I'm finally getting out of my funk. So we'll see. We'll see. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.